How to find messages privacy settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find messages privacy settings on Instagram Lite. First, and open Instagram Lite, and now just click on your profile and then click these three lines, and here you will find settings and then privacy, and as you see here you will find messages. Click on it, and now here you can control messaging settings, and that's it. Just manage here anything you want and go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to find messages settings. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.